All right, so for this problem, we're given this equation that log base x of 70 minus 4x minus x squared is equal to 2. And so we're asked to solve the thing. So now the thing to remember here is that if I, by just the definition of what a log is, if I take a to the log base a of anything, so we'll just call it junk, and we just get the junk spit back at us. So now we can go through and solve this equation this way. So I can just take x to the both sides, and x to the log base x of anything is just the anything. And so on the left-hand side, if we raise to the x power, we just get 70 minus 4x minus x squared is equal to x to the 2, because we've x to the both sides. So we've got that. And so then simplifying out, we get 2x squared minus plus 4x minus 70, right? 2x squared plus 4x minus 70 equals 0. To make our lives easier, we'll just divide this through by 2. So now this thing's just a quadratic equation. So now we get x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 4, a is 0, a is 1, and then c is 35, minus 35 over 2a. These become a plus. And so then I just divide through by 2. So I get a minus 1 plus or minus. And then to bring the 2 inside the square root, I have to square it. So I get 4 plus 4 times 35 over 4. That simplifies nicely. So I get 1 plus 4 times 35 over 4, which is 35. Which is minus 1 plus or minus root 36, minus 1 plus or minus 6. So now this gives us the plus is a 5 and the minus is a minus 7. But look back up at the top. We have log base x of something. Well, what's log base minus 7 of something? It's not going to make a whole lot of sense for the most part, because the basic idea is, if you even just look at the log formula, right, where you have log base a of x, well, that's log base b of x over log base b of a. So if we put a minus 7 here, we'd have and called b1, then we'd be taking log base 10 of minus 7, which we know is out of the domain of log. So we can't really talk about a log base minus 7 of something. So this guy is an extraneous solution. And so our answer is 5. So there you go.